Have you ever wondered how long it will take for your money to double? You could use a calculator or a spreadsheet, but there's a much easier way. It's called the Rule of 72. By the end of this video, you'll be able to estimate how long it could take your money to double using one simple calculation. This video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Investment returns are never guaranteed, and actual results will vary. The Rule of 72 is just a simple shortcut. It helps you estimate how long it could take for your money to double. Here's all you need to remember. Take the number 72 and divide it by your annual return as a percentage. The answer is roughly how many years it could take for your money to double. That's it. One number, one calculation. A useful shortcut that takes just a few seconds. Let's try an example. Imagine your investment earns an average return of 8% a year. Simply divide 72 by 8. The answer is 9, so your money could roughly double in about 9 years. If you invested $10,000 today, it could grow to around $20,000 in approximately 9 years, assuming an average annual return of 8%. Now let's compare that with a higher return. If your investment averaged 12% a year, 72 divided by 12 equals 6. Your money could now double in around 6 years instead of 9. That's why even a small increase in your long-term return can make a big difference over time. The Rule of 72 isn't just useful for investments, it also works with inflation. If inflation averaged 6% a year, 72 divided by 6 equals 12. That means prices could roughly double every 12 years. It's one reason many people invest, to try and stay ahead of inflation over the long term. Like any shortcut, the Rule of 72 isn't perfect. Investment returns change from year to year. Some years markets rise, other years they fall. So think of it as a quick estimate rather than an exact prediction. Let's recap. If you want to estimate how long it could take your money to double, take 72 and divide it by the annual return as a percentage. It's quick, it's simple, and it's one of the most useful investing shortcuts you'll ever learn. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more simple investing videos. You can also check out our videos on compound interest and investment returns to continue building your investing knowledge. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.